Welcome back to Cardano Trading. Thank you very much for watching another video. I really appreciate all the likes, comments, subscriptions, and support. So today's video is just a quick update of what's going on with the market once again. As you can see here, my lot size has been increased to $15.56. I have currently an open trade running to about $22 in profit. So today I'm looking to take this trade to about, let's just say 1.10, 1.20 area. As you see in the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily, it appears to be going down right now. But if you look at the RSI, it says it's going to go up. Speaking of RSI, if you want to learn more about the RSI, I can make a separate video on that as well. But just once again, we're just going to reiterate our patience factor here. We're not going to really rush anything. We're not going to take anything too drastic. But today we're just going to look for a short, quick, little profit. Nothing too special. On a day like today where the market's consolidating, there's not much you can really do. So like I said, force trading is not something you'd want to get into. That would be an easy way to lose your money, is to force trade. So that being said, if you want to learn more on how to become an expert trader, just all you have to do is just subscribe to this channel, give us a follow on Instagram, and also we have a cryptocurrency course launching soon, so that would help out many of you as well. So once again, this is just a quick short update on what's going on with the market. Nothing too special today, as you can see, but we do have some profits, which is always a good thing. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Like always, please like, comment, and subscribe.